Alright, so in today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to remove photos from your Apple Watch. So if you have too many photos on your Apple Watch and you feel like they are taking up a lot of space on the watch, then you can have them removed. And the easiest way to have them removed is just to stop synchronizing those images from the iPhone. Now, every photo in the Photos app on your Apple Watch is basically being synchronized from the iPhone, and it mainly depends on which album you choose. So what you want to do is go to the Apple Watch application on your iPhone, and then scroll down to the Photos app. This one, tap on it, and then just disable photo syncing, and that is going to remove photos from your Apple Watch. It's going to stop synchronizing photos onto the Apple Watch. And that's it. It's as simple as that. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.